Tumira, gusto niya yung
Kasi yung dalawang nasa talaga sa akin. Dalawa kayo din. Salita ka. Pag nasa ang bola. Mas pag ano,
Ayan, may palapin po tayo mamaya. Brand new. High Ace, Grandia. Ibababa nyo nga lang sa second floor. Pero, pass to number 11. Number 11 to Binantri. Nakapik ang bola, pero nakuha number 21. Number 21 to number 7. Number 10 mo. Pass to number 11 sa ilalim. And there you have it for 2 points. Happy viewing in Chujay. Number 30. Number 30. Uy, natalaga bola, pero nakuha pa rin niya, ano? Number 8. Pass to Uy! And there's a whistle. Foul on number 7. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 30 to number 21. Mr. Pogi. Mr. Pogi. Mr. Pogi sumalaksak. Sumalaksak. No good. Naiwan ni number 8. Number 8. Number 8 to number 10. Number 10 for 2 points.
Line bola!
Number 7 to number 11. Number 11. Uy, sama-sama kayo dyan. And there's a foul. Foul on number 8. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Hindi lang pala kilala.
2 shots for number 11. First shot, no good. Same try, number 3, narinig ni number 25, at sa follow-up number, narinig pa rin number 21 for 2 points. Mr. Pogi, bringing down to level. Ganun po papasahan. Pass to number 10. Number 10, sumalaksak for 2 points. No good. Na-rebound in Nino. And there's jump ball. Same basketball.
Tama, taga-Patex ka.
Number 10. Uy, and there's a whistle. Foul on number 21. First personal foul, second team foul. Uy, natawid na ang bola. Nakuha na pero nakuha ni Mr. Pogi. Mr. Pogi. Stop and pop. May hawak ang goals for 3 points. Number 7. To number 11. Number 11. Sulaksak. Uy, there's a kaya by number 22. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Ooh, lazy up, no good. Na-rebound team, number 22. Tumira ng 2 points, no good. Na-rebound team, number 11. Nakuha ni 7. Pinasa kay number 10. 10. Pass to number 21 for 2 points.
Pwede natin, pwede ka na lumabas.
Number 30. Number 30. Dire-diretso, 4 and easy, 2 points. Pero. Deep 3 for number 7, no good. Na-rebound ni number 11. Number 11. Pass to kalaban, number 10, nabuang bola, and there's a foul. Foul on number 11. First personal foul, 13 foul. Number 8 to number 30. Number 30. To number Number 10, no good. Number 10 for the follow-up, no good. Not able knee. Number 8 for 2 points, no good again. Nakuha na number 25. Number 25. Pero nakuha na number 13. Ooh! Number 30. Number 30, dire-diretso pa rin lang siya for 2 points. Number 8. No good. Not even number 10. Pero. Ooh. Out of bounds. Number 20. Uy, taping bola. Uy, and there's a pushing foul, ball on number 7. Second personal foul, warning for penalty.
Bahay talaga yun.
14 seconds to shoot. Number 30. 10 seconds. Number 21. 2 points, no good. Not even number 21. Pass to number 10. Oh! Ano ginagawa ng number 9? Oh, and there's a whistle. Foul on number 30. Second personal foul. 17 foul. Time out. White team. Time remaining. 5 minutes and 11 seconds para sa ating third quarter.
Kanya parang dialogue. Makakalas ka lang. Kaya ba? Wala yung sakit.
Mamaya na po ang magsusuting, mga kaibigan. Mamaya na po ang shooting.
Port ako. Ba't ako sa port ha?
Back to the ball game.
Kaya pala hindi nagpapasok ngayon dahil
Take time! Sarap! Dalaw sila. Wala na akong nabasa.
First shot, no good. Second shot, no good again. Not even number 22. Number 22, no good. Not even number 21. Number shot for 2 points by number 21. 21. Mr. Pogi.
Sabi sa Akasha card na yan.
Mr. Pogi, dribbling the ball.
naalala mo ba yung
Pass to number 8. 10 to shoot. Binutong bola. Wala. Nakuha number 31. 31. Uy! Siyempre pa nag-aabong ang mula doon. Uy! Sa mga Mr. Pogi. Number 2 points by number 10.
Yung baliw.
Mr. Pogi, bring down the ladder.
Tapos kumakita dinapaya, higa yun eh.
Tero, no good. Number 31. And there's a wizard out of bounds. Substitution. Mr. Pogi.
Napasap sa pasok.
Mr. Pogi. Uy! Community's timeout. Namatay po. Uy, yeah, balik tayo sa first quarter, guys.
nagulan na. Tayo hinihingi kasi din. Tayo hinihingi rin.
Libre yung tubig dyan, pre.
Bigay ito rin dyan. Pinsan ko yung nag-iis ko. Pinsan. Ano tayo? Ilan lamang? No, ano kayo? Pag inahabot tayo. Hindi, ata 10 ko kanina. 10, di ba? Kanina. 10 pa yun. Ha?
Hindi kami makatikit sa 10.
Kanya-kanya kasi yung buhay ng 10. Reload ka. Gusto ko nakita doon.
Back to the ball game.
Ay, bola!
Okay lang, third quarter na po tayo para alam lang natin. Ha? Number 11. Number 21. So number 21. Number 21, fade away. No good. Not even number 22. There's number 2, not good. Follow up. There you have it for 2 points. Big show. Big show. Big show. To the great Kali. Number 31. Number 31. Uy. No good. Not perfect. Pero nakuha na number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. To Big Show. Big Show. Big Show. Is a Big Show. 8 for 2 points.
Lasok!
Number 23. So number 11. Number 11. Ooh. Number 11. Uy. Watakali. Kali mo. Nakuha na number 29. That's the number 10. Number 10. Number 10. To number 8. Number 8 sila for 2 points. Magkano ba ito na number 3 at number 21? Number 21. Power rating. And there's a reverse. No good. Naribang number 22. Number 22 for 2 points. No good again. Naribang, uy! Hindi kaya yung bola. Hindi ginaya yung bola. Number 31. For 2 points. No good. Number 1 and number 3. Number 3. To Big Show. Big Show. Deep 3. Deep 3. No good. Narino na number 10. No good again. Narino na number 29. Lays it up for 2 points. Number 31. Number 31. For the shot, no good. Narino na number 11. Ooh. Ooh. Tatlo kay Dan. There's a foul. Foul on number 29. Third personal foul, third team foul. Time remaining, 1 minute and 47 seconds. 2 ball shots for number 11. Number 11, first shot, no good. Second try, basket count. Talon, Big Show. Ayaw ito talon ni Mr. Big Show. Number 6, middle ang race booker. Uy, binansahan number 8, number 8. Butik bola ang bola. To number 6, tumira ng 3. Three balls for number 6. Habay na guys. Number 11. Tumira din ng 3, no good. Nalibang na number 29. Pass to number 3. Number 3, pero mo ang bola, number 8. Number 8, number 8, number 8. Number 8. Number 8, lays it up for 2 balls. Apat na po ang kalamangan. Number 11. Uy, wala ang bola pero nakuha ng number 22. Number 22, for 2 balls, no good. Nalibang ni number 18. Number 21, number 21, number 21. Eh, for 2 balls.
Time out mamaya. Kakanya-kanya sila.
Number 8.
Higil eh.
Number 8. Dire-diretso. Pass to number 9. Second for user. Ball on number 22.
Time out. Meron.
Second personal foul, penalty. Ayan, time out na.
Time out kami.
First shot,
30 seconds na.
Wala na, okay yun.
no good.
Hindi mo ginamit yun.
Second shot, no good again. Nalibang ni number 21. Number 21. Number 21 lays it up. No good. Now go play number 21 and there's a foul. Foul on number 21.
Pasa tayo, pare. Time out, time out.
Who's number F?
Ay, nanggigigil.
21. Penalty po tayo. Pagbalik. Next game. Senior Division. Team Orb versus MRB Troopers. Senior Division po tayo. Next game. Third quarter na po ito.
I know. Siya mo lang.
Nagkaroon lang po tayo ng technical problem. Back to the ball game.
Pause.
Final 15 seconds. Para sa ating third quarter. Team Orb, pwede na po daw kayong kumuha ng jersey. Lapit na po kayo dito sa committee's table. Maraming salamat po. At magandang gabi. Bye. First shot, no good.
Pwede na tayo mag-trap yan.
Ayan, after lang. After na tayo patrack. Hindi sa out.
Lima na lang. Pabayaan ko sila eh.
Number 23. Number 26. Number 26. Number 23. Kotas. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Naibon ni number 3. The Masterman. Birato ni number 26. On the third quarter. Fourth quarter na po ito. Last quarter na para makamali ito kayo. Back to the ball game. Next game, Team Orb versus MRB Troopers, Senior Division. Number 7.